Welcome back to our big program. We are live, coast to coast and border to border. We have got a brand new thing we got to tell you about today. This is absolutely amazing. This gentleman's been working online for a few years. He's made over 100,000 US dollars working on his own time. The new ebook you see on your screen is a tell-all ebook explaining the various methods that he's used to do this. He's an online entrepreneur. He's been able to make over $100,000 online from wherever he wants to, on his own time, using the methods he reveals in this new tell-all book. These are 100% legitimate opportunities that don't require you to pay anything. The only thing you have to do is get this ebook. Go to Amazon, search how to make thousands of dollars online. It is absolutely amazing. He's also got a video on YouTube as well, and you can check it out at payhip.com/B/9YGE, or go over to Amazon and search how to make thousands of dollars online and tell them you heard about it here, Transmedia Worldwide.